Hey guys, my name is Venu and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can recharge your Mobile Legends in India. The Mobile Legends is actually banned in India, so we can't actually recharge using Play Store and our previous method is not working nowadays. And so I decided to make a new video and found a new website to recharge our Mobile Legends. And it's also working perfectly fine, so you don't have to worry about it. I actually tested it and I also show you guys in this video as a proof. This new website name is called mogold.com. And the another important thing is that this website is actually giving us a lot of discounts for the diamond recharge, so you will spend less money and more diamonds. So let me show you how you can do this. In order to recharge your Mobile Legends account, you need to sign up in this website. And I already created my account in this website, so I'm just directly going to recharge it and I will show you guys how. Currently the UPI payment method is not working in this website, so you may have to use either debit card or your internet banking. I'm planning to get Starlight membership, so I need around 380 diamonds. Normally it's close to 500 diamonds. Since I'm not using Starlight membership regularly, they actually gave me some discount for that, so I just need like 380 diamonds. I'm actually getting some discounts for some of the diamond packs, so I will recharge it accordingly. So if I recharge it like 2 times, I will save some of the money, so it's a good deal, right? So I have to recharge 2 times, like 355 diamond pack and also the 28 diamond pack. So I will get around 380 diamonds, which is enough for my Starlight membership. In order to recharge your Mobile Legends, you need to know your user ID and server ID. This is very important. So let me show you how you can find your Mobile Legends user ID and the server ID. As you guys can see, this is my Mobile Legends profile. And you can find my user ID and the server ID nearby, right here. You can find your user ID and the server ID just like this. You have to enter your Mobile Legends user ID and the server ID in that website. I already had 6 diamonds in my profile, so I just wanted to let you know that, so you guys won't get confused as I recharge. And now I have entered my user ID and also my server ID. Now I'm going to add this to my cart. Once it's added to my cart, I can just go to the cart and then I can click the proceed checkout. And I'm going to use my net banking for this one, but if you want to use your credit card or debit card, you can use the second option. It mostly works on most of the banks, so my bank is on the list. It's called Indian Overseas Bank, so I'm using that. If your bank is not on the list, you can use the credit card or debit card method. After entering the fund transfer pin, it will send me an OTP in order to verify the purchase. This is going to be your proof that I did purchase diamonds from this website. It's actually successfully proceeded and the payment has been deducted from my account. Now let's wait for the diamonds to credit to my account. You will mostly get the diamonds instantly, but in some rare cases it may take like half an hour or few hours. It's a really rare case. If you didn't get your diamonds within few seconds, wait for 10 minutes and try restarting your game. You will definitely see your diamonds there. Always triple check your user ID and the server ID. That's very important, otherwise you won't get your diamonds. Now I'm going to recharge my second pack as the same way that we used for our first pack. The payment has been successful and the recharge also successful, I guess. Yeah, it's done. Now I can get my Starlight membership and the Starlight skin. According to this, I get lot of recall effect I mean Starlight Recall effect. I don't want it. It's just a temporary one, you know. And as for the Starlight skin, I'm going with the strawberry skin because I already have the Goshen skin. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.